Prerequisites. Node.js. Install Node.js, with versions v14, v16, or v18, recommended for Strapi version 4.3.9 and above. Use the maintenance or LTS versions. Node Package Manager (npm). Ensure npm is installed, v6 only, or optionally use yarn. Database. Choose and install a supported database, example, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQLite. Install Strapi. Install Strapi CLI. Strapi CLI is a tool that facilitates the creation and management of Strapi projects. Run the following command: npm install gstrapi at latest. Create a new Strapi project. Command: npx create Strapi app at latest test Strapi quick start. This command initiates the creation of a new Strapi project named Test Strapi using the latest version of the Strapi app creator. Navigate to project directory. Command cd test Strapi. Move into the newly created project directory to access and manage project-specific files and configurations. Access Strapi admin panel. Open your browser and go to http://localhost 1337/admin to access the Strapi admin panel. Login. Log into the admin panel using your credentials. Strapi dashboard. Welcome to the Strapi dashboard, your command center for streamlined content management. With a user-friendly interface, it empowers you to effortlessly configure, customize, and manage your Strapi project, putting you in control of your content and digital experiences. Strapi. An open-source headless content management system (CMS) that empowers developers to build robust, customizable APIs quickly. Key aspects of Strapi. Headless CMS. Strapi follows a headless architecture, separating the back-end, content management, from the front-end, presentation layer. Developers can use any front-end technology, React, Vue, Angular, etc., to consume content via Strapi's API. Flexible content modeling. Strapi allows developers to define and manage content types through a dynamic API-centric admin panel. Content types can include articles, blog posts, products, and more, each with customizable fields. API-first approach. Strapi prioritizes API design and generation. Every content type automatically has RESTful and GraphQL APIs created. APIs are customizable, supporting various authentication methods and allowing fine-grained control over access. Key aspects of Strapi. User authentication and permissions. Strapi provides built-in user authentication with support for roles and permissions. Administrators can define roles, admin, editor, contributor, and assign specific permissions for content management. Media library. Strapi includes a media library for managing and serving files, images, videos, documents. Integrates with the API, allowing developers to handle media assets programmatically. Plugins and extensions. Strapi supports a plugin system, enabling developers to extend functionality easily. Official and custom plugins provide additional features, such as third-party integrations, SEO tools, and more. Webhooks and event system. Strapi allows developers to set up webhooks and leverage an event system for reacting to specific occurrences within the system. Enables customization by triggering actions in response to events like content updates or user actions. Architecture and components of Strapi. User interface (UI). Admin panel, the graphical interface where administrators, editors, and contributors manage content. Dashboard, provides an overview of site statistics, content, and system health. Strapi backend. Core application. Controllers, handle incoming requests, define business logic. Models, define content types and their structure. Services, contain reusable business logic. Middleware, functions executed before or after processing requests. Configuration, settings for database connections, server, and plugins. Database connector, interfaces with the chosen database system, example, MongoDB, PostgreSQL. Architecture and components of Strapi. Plugins and extensions. Official plugins, provided by Strapi for common functionalities like authentication, content types. Custom plugins, developed to extend Strapi's capabilities based on specific project requirements. Hooks, allow developers to inject custom code at predefined points in the system. Media library. Asset manager, manages and serves media files, images, videos, documents. Integration with API, enables fetching and serving media through the API. Content manager. Dive into the content manager section, where the essence of your project comes to life. Here, you define and manage data structures in the content types builder, and seamlessly handle individual content entries, providing the backbone for your dynamic and engaging digital content. Content modeling. The Content Types Builder is your gateway to defining and managing data structures. Here, you can create, modify, or delete content types, laying the foundation for how your data is structured. Entries. Within each content type, explore and manage individual entries, content instances. This is where you handle the actual content for your project. Content modeling. What's content modeling? Content modeling in Strapi is a crucial aspect that empowers developers to design and structure their data in a flexible and intuitive manner. Creation of content types and fields. What's content types? Content types serve as blueprints for the structured data you want to manage. They encapsulate the various pieces of information your application will handle. Process. Through Strapi's user-friendly admin panel, developers can effortlessly create custom content types. These could represent entities such as articles, products, or events. Fields. Within each content type, developers define specific fields. These fields represent the attributes or characteristics of the content type. For instance, a product content type might have fields like name, price, and description, highlighting the ability to define relationships. Significance. Content often relates to each other in a hierarchical or interconnected way. Strapi excels in handling these relationships, offering a dynamic and interconnected data model. Relationship types. Strapi supports various relationship types, including one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. This allows for the creation of sophisticated and linked data structures. Use case example. Consider a blog content type with a relationship to an author content type. This enables seamless association between blog posts and their respective authors. Media library. Explore the media library section, a visual hub for managing your project's multimedia assets. Easily upload, organize, and integrate images, videos, and files, enhancing the richness of your content and providing a centralized repository for seamless media management. API customization. API customization? In Strapi, it provides developers with the flexibility to tailor their application's backend to meet specific project requirements, fostering adaptability and efficiency. Flexibility to define custom endpoints and controllers. Custom endpoints. Strapi allows developers to create custom API endpoints, enabling the exposure of unique functionalities beyond the default routes. This flexibility is invaluable when additional or specialized operations are required. Controllers. Developers can define custom controllers to handle the logic associated with these endpoints. This separation of concerns enhances code organization and maintainability. Showcasing the process. Strapi dashboard. Utilizing the Strapi dashboard, developers can seamlessly navigate to the API section. Here, they can create new endpoints and associated controllers with an intuitive user interface. Code-level customization. For more granular control, developers can dive into the codebase. Strapi's modular structure facilitates code-level customization, allowing for precise adjustments to match project needs. Ease of adapting APIs to specific project requirements. Adaptability. Strapi's modular architecture and plugin system make it easy for developers to adapt APIs to evolving project requirements. This adaptability is crucial for projects that may undergo changes or expansions over time. Middleware usage. Strapi supports middleware, enabling developers to inject custom logic at different stages of the request-response cycle. This capability enhances the extensibility of APIs. Plugins and extensions. Extend functionality. In the Plugins section, explore and configure additional features to enhance your project. Plugins and extensions. Strapi's extensibility is a cornerstone of its versatility, allowing developers to enhance functionality seamlessly through plugins and extensions. Understanding Strapi's plugin system. Dynamic extensions. Strapi's plugin system facilitates the dynamic extension of functionalities. Developers can either use existing plugins or create custom ones tailored to project requirements. Modularity. Plugins encapsulate specific features, promoting a modular architecture that simplifies maintenance and promotes code reusability. Showcasing available plugins. Plugin Marketplace. Strapi provides a marketplace where developers can discover and integrate pre-built plugins. This includes plugins for authentication, image processing, SEO, and more. Community contributions. The active Strapi community continuously contributes new plugins, expanding the platform's capabilities. Creating custom plugins. Plugin development. For unique project needs, developers can create custom plugins. Strapi's documentation and development tools support the seamless creation and integration of these extensions. Hook system. Strapi's hook system allows developers to inject custom logic into the platform's lifecycle, providing a powerful mechanism for plugin customization. Enhancing functionality through extensions. Extensions are not limited to the backend. Developers can customize APIs further to match specific frontend requirements, ensuring a cohesive and tailored user experience. Marketplace. Step into the Marketplace section, your gateway to extending Strapi's capabilities. Discover and install plugins and extensions from a diverse array of offerings, allowing you to tailor your project with additional functionalities, making Strapi adaptable to your unique needs. Relations and database fields in Strapi. In Strapi, relationships and database fields play a crucial role in structuring and connecting different content types. Strapi supports several types of relationships, allowing developers to establish connections between pieces of content. Let's explore these relationships. Single types. Single types represent standalone content items without any direct relationships with other content types. Use case. Ideal for simple content types that don't rely on connections with other entities. Collection types. Collection types represent a group or collection of content items of the same type. Use case. Useful when dealing with multiple instances of similar content, such as a collection of blog posts. Component fields. Components are reusable structures that can be embedded within multiple content types. Use case. Allows for the creation of modular content structures. For example, a author component could be embedded within both blog post and book content types. Many-to-one relationship. A relationship where multiple instances of one content type can be related to a single instance of another content type. Use case. Connecting comments to a blog post, where many comments can be associated with one blog post. One-to-one relationship. A relationship where each instance of one content type is associated with a single instance of another content type, and vice versa. Use case. Associating a user with a profile, where each user has only one profile, and each profile belongs to a single user. Many-to-many relationship. A relationship where multiple instances of one content type can be related to multiple instances of another content type. Use case. Linking multiple categories to multiple products in an e-commerce system. Example. Create content type. In the admin panel, navigate to the Content Types Builder section. Click on Create New Collection Type to define a new content type. Define the content type by adding fields, specifying their types, and setting up any relationships. Example. Name blog post. Click on Continue. Select a field for your collection type. An example text. Name test. Save content type. Save the content type, and Strapi will automatically generate the API endpoints for it. After saving, Strapi will create API endpoints like http://localhost 1337/API/blog posts. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.